Morning, Miss Nikita Bidoya. My name is Almerina de Roselio, BE Ed 2A. So for today, I'm going to tackle and discuss how production and consumption of sugar affect your journey towards the good life. So, and how does reflective consumption of good, in this case, sugar, affect human life? So how does sugar consumption affect towards a good life? So sugar consumption is not a journey towards a good life. Instead, it is a journey into different diseases, just like heart attacks, strokes, Alzheimer's disease, and even the development of cancer. Curtail your overall sugar consumption by cutting out processed food which has loads of extra sugar in it is, and producing your starchy food intake starchy in digested into sugar. And question number 2 is, how does unreflected consumption of goods, in this case sugar, affect human life? So how does it affect in the human life, the sugar? So for me, the film simply exposes the dangers of excessive sugar intake. The film demonstrates it leads to the obesity and mental damage, and when you take more than 6 teaspoons of sugar, we are shown the volumes of sugar that is hidden in the so-called healthy foods. So, and it makes you pause for thought. So what comes out loud and clear is that sugar is clearly a socially acceptable form of addiction. And the sugar industry have been instrumental in minimizing public information on the dangers their product presents. So, sugar affects in the human life because it leads to hardening of the arteries by being metabolized in the liver into LDL, cholesterol, and triglycerides, and the end results are strokes and also heart attacks that was mentioned above. That sugar also leads to extra insulin release from stimulation of the beta cells in the pancreas by the absorption of developing Alzheimer's disease. So sugar has another negative effects on our body also. So as what we have known, no, the hyperglycemia caused by the overconsumption of sugar that leads to the stimulation of IF1 production in the liver, which in turn stimulates cancer cell growth. So most people know that consuming foods high in sugar and simple carbohydrates that convert to sugar leads to several health problems, so such as obesity, so tooth decay and diabetes also, and coronary artery disease. So but eating too much sugar also has negative effects on your brain. And that would be all. Thank you.